Hi everyone, this is a very special Christmas edition of Planes, Trains, Everything. When you watch my videos, you're probably thinking, look at the quality of the editing on these videos, and you'll be right. Fantastic stuff, you know, but it doesn't always go according to plan, believe it or not. Sometimes it takes 2, 3, 4, 6 times before I get a scene correct, because standing in public, talking into a GoPro can be a little bit daunting and a little bit embarrassing. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the best of the outtakes from 2024. Or even in a one-star hotel room, your data is at risk. You want to be in the video there? If you enjoy travel hacking, it pays to shop around.
Platform 2 will be the platform 5, problem 12, 44, transfer 10 to 5.
If you enjoy travel hacking, you have to be prepared to shop around for the best bargain. This is really not happening here at Newcastle Station. I can't do this.
Please note that the services are subject to delay because
One of the drawbacks of doing an introduction at a railway station.
Every effort is being made to restore services to normal as quickly.
Surfshark is a VPN, a virtual, private network which keeps your personal data safe and secure by hiding your IP address. And here we are at Bucharest Airport.
Sosește în stație la linia 9. Ladies and gentlemen, the Regio train 7030.
What a strange sounding siren. I've forgotten what I was going to say. Okay, that is train number 1 out of 7. It's snowing, guys. Right, according to my bit of cardboard here, the next train is the northbound at 15:24. So we've got 2 hours to kill before that arrives. No, we haven't. We've got 3 hours to kill. I looked at the timetables, looked at where I could get to, and then I thought, noisy motorbike. One thing I've wondered about Italian airports, they really don't want you walking to and from your hotel. Okay, you might strike it. What is it with this bus reversing up this road? Good, but I just don't have time to dilly-dally, no time to go and get a coffee. Maybe we'll try and get a coffee, but then I've got a 2.5 hour journey. Well guys, 4 out of 5 isn't bad, and that is, to be honest, what I expected. Ye honk your horn. Thank you. These tunnels just go on forever. Wow. Say that. Okay, yeah, you pay your fee when you arrive at the top station. That way you don't have to pay anything on the way back to show your ticket. That makes sense. Let's do this. Hi everyone, my name's Scott. Welcome to Planes, Trains, Everything. What are you laughing for, Blair? Right, Cork Airport. I thought... Well guys, that's what... This one here as well. This reminds me of my youth in Australia. Not traffic, no. Today is our last full day here in beautiful Cairns, and to celebrate there's a noisy bus. That's the one that collected us yesterday, isn't it? Yeah. You'll also find a link to Amazon where you can buy this absolutely splendid book. This is my 2019 journey from Portugal to Vietnam. And I forgot what I was going to say after that. Blair may not have broken the Bank of Monte Carlo, but he
You sounded like the guy on that one show.
The one show.
Who says that's all, folks?
That's all, folks. Brilliant. There's one. Seriously? Yeah. And here we are back at Edinburgh. Sabiha. I must have booked this flight maybe 10 weeks ago. Fares were nice and cheap then, and in particular the Warsaw to Tenerife flight, which is the crux of this whole video. It doesn't operate on a daily basis, so I found the cheapest fare on that leg and then booked everything on either side, and that's why I'm travelling on this flight today. It was a good idea at the time. 1 hour 35-minute connection time at Stansted between an EasyJet domestic flight and a Ryanair international flight. 1 hour 35, what could possibly go wrong? Well, what the hell? Two things. Firstly, a complete lack of USBs. That's always important to me. And for anyone who needs to charge a phone, and I'll do this again. I then put the components before and afterwards to make the complete package. This guy's back again. I'm here in Catania on the island of Sicily for one reason and one reason only, to listen to the racket.